I'll now show you how to test the bypass switch and switching functionality of the CT200 unit. So after being redirected to the customer's dashboard, you now have availability to turn on and off the relay using the device sections at the top of the page as shown. So for the physical testing of the switching and bypass unit, it is important to start with the bypass switch off and the relay on the dashboard turned off. Using a multimeter, test between the active in the load and the neutral bar. And with both the bypass switch off and the relay off, you should show 0 volts. You can now turn on the relay on the Carbon Track dashboard and test again between the active of the load and the neutral. You shall hear the relay click and there should be 240 volts available. As this is a test board and no voltage is present, you will not see those values there. Now you can turn off the relay on the Carbon Track dashboard and again register 0 volts across active and neutral and turn on the bypass switch, whether it be an internal bypass switch or an external bypass switch, whichever you're using, and retest between active and neutral to register 240 volts. Turn off the bypass switch, register 0 volts between active and neutral, and turn and leave on the relay using the Carbon Track dashboard. It is important before you leave to test that both the functionality of the bypass switch, whether it be internal or external, is operational, and that the relay can be switched using the Carbon Track dashboard. To pair your Bluetooth device with your smartphone, pair it using the passcode 1234 and it will be labelled Carbon Track Bluetooth device. After you have paired the Bluetooth device with your smartphone, you can now plug it into the serial interface port in the CT200i and opening up the diagnostic application on your smartphone, press the Bluetooth option and wait for the device to pair. As you can see, after the device is paired, it will display voltage, the DIN number, SIN number, it will display the signal strength and any current that is being drawn with the clamps that have been activated. In the bottom section of the diagnostic app, you can see any faults that the CT200 might have, and you can change these until all faults are gone to complete commissioning.